Imagine discovering a hidden shortcut on your Pixel phone's latest Android update that completely changes how you organize your quick settings. Sounds like a game changer, right? Well, that's exactly what Google quietly introduced in the Android 16 QPR1 update. And this little-known feature can save you time and frustration when customizing your settings. But here's where it gets controversial. It's so subtle and hidden that most users don't even realize it exists, raising the question, should Google make such useful features more obvious? With the rollout of Android 16 QPR1 for Pixel devices, Google brought not just a fresh look with their Material 3 expressive design, but also smarter tweaks to the quick settings panel. While most people notice the revamped tile editor, where tiles are neatly organized into categories and can be added or removed with just a tap, the traditional method for moving tiles has stayed the same. Usually you'd long press a tile and drag it to your preferred spot, but this can be messy. Imagine trying to drag tiles around on a crowded panel and accidentally misplacing them due to awkward scrolling or shifting tiles. It's a fiddly experience that many Pixel users are all too familiar with. Here's the kicker. Android 16 QPR1 secretly features a second way to rearrange those tiles, and it's surprisingly more precise and user-friendly. Instead of dragging, you can simply double-tap a tile to select it. This action changes the prompt at the top of the screen to tap to position tile, signaling that you're now in move mode. From there, just tap the spot where you want the tile to go, whether it's an empty slot or a position already taken, and the tile will jump there instantly. This method significantly cuts down the hassle of scrolling back and forth or accidentally dropping tiles in the wrong places. To put it simply, this new approach makes customizing your quick settings panel faster, cleaner, and less prone to mistakes. However, here's the part most people miss. This double-tap move feature is not advertised or highlighted anywhere in the system, making it nearly invisible, unless someone tells you. In fact, it's so undocumented that even experienced users and tech enthusiasts didn't discover it until it was pointed out by a reader. And isn't that a bit odd? Why would Google bury such a useful function in obscurity instead of promoting it as a valuable upgrade? This brings us to an intriguing question for you. Do you think important usability improvements like this should be tucked away quietly? Or should companies make every effort to ensure their users are fully aware of these features? Maybe a helpful tip or tutorial in the update notes or settings could change user experience dramatically. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments below. Do you agree that hidden features enhance the joy of discovery, or do they instead add unnecessary friction? Special thanks to Surajit Karmakar on Telegram for tipping us off about this clever Android 16 QPR1 trick. For Pixel users eager to fully personalize their quick settings, this hidden gem could be a game changer. If you haven't explored it yet, dive into your quick settings tile editor on the latest update and experience the smoothness of this double-tap method for yourself. It's often the little-known shortcuts and hidden tools that make your daily tech interactions far more enjoyable.